Welcome to Capture and Convert. Now, if this is the first time we're meeting, I'm Hillary Johnson and I'm the founder of Hatch Tribe, and I'm so happy you're here. So thank you for joining us in this course. This is one of my favorite online marketing strategies. A lead magnet is a really powerful tool for attracting a new audience and inviting them into your business, and using that marketing funnel and continued communication to start nurturing those leads and eventually, hopefully, tipping them towards the sale. So you're going to learn how to build it, and we're going to build that literally step by step. There's a workbook that you'll be using throughout this entire course, and you'll be able to grab it and work on it throughout each lesson. Now, this is one thing I ask of you. Make the time to do this work. Marketing is always a good investment as a business owner, but knowledge is power only if applied. So this marketing funnel is going to be good, but we can't really learn from it until we get it out into the marketplace. We need your audience to respond to it, and you're not going to get that until it's up and humming and running. So if you're a person like me who lets a little bit of perfectionist tendencies get in the way, set it aside, get to the 80% and let's go. So I promise you, by the time you get to the end of this, you are going to understand exactly how to implement that lead magnet marketing funnel in your business and how to use it to get results. You ready? All right, I'll see you in the first lesson.